When working in a client file, there may be an occasion when you find that the customer has not provided all of the necessary information to complete their return. One of the time-saving features in the ProSeries tax program is the missing client information. This feature allows you to easily accumulate all of the missing data in your client's return and link it back to the fields where the data goes. We will begin with the home base screen. Notice the column with the red exclamation mark. When a client file has been tagged with missing information, this exclamation mark will appear in this column for the client to indicate that there is missing information. This makes it easy to track which client files are missing data. When the file is opened, the Missing Client Information dialog box will appear if the Show this dialog when opening client files with missing information box is checked. ProSeries recommends keeping this option selected as well as the Show this dialog during final review, which will generate a notification that information is missing for the return when running the final review. To quickly get to the input field associated with the missing data, select the item in the Missing Information column and then click Go to Field. The dialog box remains on the screen to allow you to select another item that is missing and then go to that input field. As items are received and the input fields are updated, place a check in the Received ? Box for the items. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. The dialog box can always be accessed by pressing F11 on the keyboard or select the Tools menu and choose Add Edit Missing Client Information. To tag an input field as missing information, right-click on the field and choose Add Edit Missing Client Info, or use the hotkeys Control F11. The Missing Client Information dialog box will appear with the description of the input field. As you work through the return and tag items as missing, the items will append to the Missing Information column. The description of the items in the Missing Information column can be edited to make the requested information more clearly understood by your client. Click Print/Email to either print the list of missing information or to send an email of the missing information to your client. The contact information for this client section will pull the data that has been entered from the preparer's information and from the input in the client's file. The standard text items for all client section has 4 fields that can be edited. Any edits made to these fields will appear for subsequent clients when emailing or printing the missing client information. Click Print to generate a paper printout of the missing information to mail to your client, or click Email to electronically mail this information to your client.